Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is our next video for Brunello Cucinelli. Spring ready to wear for ladies. So this is a tank we will try. Striped top, another top, V-neck tank, striped top, yellow sweater. Not sure yet. I think they might be shorts. Yes, they are shorts. And if you remember from the first video, I had kind of a similar color, but skirt to try on. This is very lightweight, lighter than the yellow pants that were in my first video. And just to show you, or just to tell you about work, trying to find pieces that are good. I actually, when I tried on, if you remember in the last video, when I tried on those gray pants, I actually didn't take them off for the rest of the day. So that goes to our wearability, right? Here's our little chart that I go off of every time. That goes to our value and our wearability. So sometimes the more expensive pieces, unfortunately, are the ones that we also wear the most. So I'm going to try on these pieces and let's take a look together. If you want to rank in the comments 1 to 5, I would certainly appreciate your comments. And I know other watchers, viewers of this channel would as well. So welcome back. All right, hi everyone. So here's the very first piece I'm trying on. This is a size medium. It's a bit of an oversized sweater. I'm glad my sales associate did send a medium because I hate stuff that's tied on the neck. Because it's a medium, it is not. But that also means it has a lot of extra fabric. It's 100% cotton. I believe it's $19.95. 100%. I'm 99% sure. In the next piece, I'll double check and let you know if that's not correct. So how does it feel? Super, super soft. Actually, here's the tag right now. I can tell you. It is, yes, it's $19.95. Feels really soft, would be great with denim jeans. Is it worth $19.95 for a very basic piece? Well, I mean, it feels fantastic, but beyond that, in my opinion, no. So I would give it a good solid 6 on the look, only because it's really not all that exciting. And even being a medium, it is a bit tight here. That's just my own OCD. Wearability is good 9. I mean, you can wear this all day, every day, right? Be comfortable, casual, and look cool. Value for me, $19.95 for a cotton sweater, it's a 5. I only give it a higher value because I would probably wear it a little bit more than I think. So that's this first piece. Let's try on the next. All right, so next piece, this is actually a size medium. It's also $17.95. It's very lightweight, but it is really scratchy. So this is actually the color of my eyes. They're kind of like a yellowish green. I guess it's called hazel. And so, it brings out the color of my eyes, but this is way too scratchy for me. So for me, the look is kind of boring. I'm going to give it a 3. Wearability is a 1. Too scratchy. I'm going to be all day with, Zyrtec. Value for me, just because I'm not going to wear it, it's a 1. But I'd love to know what you all think. And if you're interested in buying this piece, here's what it looks like from the front and the back. So I'll try on the next top. I'll try on all the tops first, pants at the end. So that it's just, honestly, it's much more streamlined in terms of trying things on because there's a lot of stuff. So I'll try on the next piece, continue on. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. This is a medium, $12.95 cotton sweater. I should have tried this with the yellow pants actually earlier in the video before this. I'll put a card up here so you can see where to find that. Even being a medium, it's a little bit tight on the neck. I hate that, as you know. So here's the thing. It's a long, kind of just boring sweater. So if you want an everyday casual piece that's kind of long and boring, I would give it a 10. But since we want to spend our money on pieces that actually have some substance or wearability, for me, the looks on this are a 2. Wearability is too tight in the neck, too long in the body. It's a 1. And just because I'll never wear it, for me, the value is a 1. But some of you who will be wearing this may find the value to be a little bit better. At least it's not $3,000 for a cotton sweater for Brunello, because as you know, they can tend to be like that. So I'm going to try on another piece. We'll continue on. All right, this is $17.95, size small. It's made of jute and cotton. Let me come in here a little bit. You can see the pattern. If you're going to get well, let me just show you. We are going to try these pants. Could be fantastic with this. It's just not my style. I think it's, honestly, it's just too boring. So here's what it looks like from behind. Maybe I'll just leave it on and try the pants and we can check it out together, but I'm not really all that excited about it. But it's, it's actually, forget it, never mind, because it's too scratchy. And for this kind of price, we need to have comfortable fabric. So this designer is known for their comfort. So if they are not meeting the comfort guideline, for me, they're out. So this one here, look, maybe a 2. Wearability, I'm not going to wear it because it's scratchy, so it's a 1. Because I'm not going to wear it, its value is a 1 as well. But if you're just looking for a basic kind of open knit tank, it's got some cute style to it in the back, you can see. And the color is awesome. I do love the color. I like their sage green that they're doing this collection. Maybe a 2 or a 3. I have to give the value a little bit higher rating. So that's what this piece looks like. I will try on the next top. All right, welcome back. Messy hair and all. I can tell I'm just jamming through these. $16.95, size medium, 100% cotton. So it is, I have a sparkly shirt, a little bit of sparkle here, and then nothing, and then so on. You can see it's hard to tell with the tags, but a button up on the top. It is a little bit cropped, but I think the shape of it is a little bit weird, to be completely honest. You can see it from the back. I think it's just not, the back isn't all knit, so the back doesn't have the same stripes. I just don't think it's a very flattering fit. So for me, I would put the look at a 2, put the wearability at a 2, and the value, I mean, is it better than some of the other priced items? Yes, but because I'm not going to wear it, the value is low, so I would put it as a 2 as well. So I'll try the next one. All right, welcome back. Size small, linen and cashmere, $2,400. Why do you have to do that when you get a cute piece? It doesn't feel like it would be the most comfortable fabric. And actually the sparkles make it a little less comfortable, but it's super cute. I like the look of it a lot. It is cropped. I have on a little tank underneath that I've been wearing to try on all these pieces for multiple videos. Just keeps things sort of seamless and easy. But yeah, I don't know. It's got some cute shape to it. I think they did a great job with the kind of the flared arms and then coming in at the body to show the shape of our body. But I just think, I don't know. I think it just may not be all that comfortable for the price. So to me, the look is a good 6. I'm going to give it a 6. I think it's very cute. Wearability, I'm going to find myself annoyed. I like that there's a lot of room in the arms, but I'm going to find myself annoyed that it's scratching. So I'm going to put the wearability at a 3. I'm going to put the value at a 3 as well, because it's really hard to spend $3,000 for a blouse and then feel like when your arms rub your body, it's annoying. So unfortunately for me. So I'll try on the next piece. Next one, $14.95, linen and cotton. I don't know, a little bit boring to me. Thank you for lowering the price, guys, but I think, you know, the length of it is cool. It feels really comfortable. It's just too boring. I wouldn't wear it. So here's what it looks like in the back. So for me, it kind of, I'll be honest, it kind of looks like a Gap top. It has some embellishment. Don't kill me for that. The look, I think, is a 2. Wearability, is it comfortable? Yeah, but is it cute? I don't think so. So a 2. And because of that, because I wouldn't wear it, I put the value at a 1. But for this brand, this designer, this is actually a lower priced piece, one of the lowest prices I have seen in a while. So I'm going to try on the bottoms now. Let's see how those go, and we'll continue on. All right, so first pair, $9.95, size medium. These are horrible. They fit terribly, I'll be honest. Well, okay, they don't fit terribly. They fit like they're supposed to. But this is why I stay away from the brand for so long, because it felt like they were granny. So for me, I don't even want to show you the back. You can see it in the mirror. It's an embarrassment for me personally. I haven't been able to go to the gym in 3 years due to an injury. And so I do not want to show my legs in a totally unflattering pair of shorts. And that is me being honest with all of you. So yeah, so this is what they look like. I think if they had maybe made them a little bit shorter, and I'm sure they could do that if we really wanted to, they might be cuter, but the style doesn't accommodate that because of the pleats and so on. So yeah, I would definitely say no for these. I'll try on the last thing, which is a pair of green pants, and then this video will be wrapped up. All right, size 40, $15.95, cotton, super comfortable, very, very lightweight. Thank you for bringing the price point down. Remember from video 1, that skirt that I tried on was $3,000, and even though it was so cute, I mean, I cannot justify that. So many of us cannot. It's really hard to even justify this, to be honest. So here's the back. I think the back looks really great as well. Now, as you know, Brunello puts a signature somewhere. By the way, they're just cuffed at the ankle. You can see it in the mirror. They put their signature somewhere on everything, right? So the more expensive the piece, the more the signature. That's what I've noticed. So on this piece, you'll find it right here. And I should show you on each piece where they put the signature, because sometimes it's actually hard for me to find. But that's what this pair looks like. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And as I get more pieces, I will certainly try them on and bring them to you as quickly as I possibly can. Thank you for your support.